Hey guys, and welcome to Chandler's Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a chocolate ganache bundt cake. Ingredients for this wonderful cake is chocolate chips, milk, oil, vanilla extract, eggs, 1 box of chocolate cake mix, more chocolate chips, heavy cream, and nuts. Now we're going to add our ingredients to our cake mix. Milk, vanilla extract, oil, chocolate chips, eggs, and we're going to get that stirred up really well. Get your oven preheated to 350. Now I'm going to get my cake mix added to a well-oiled and floured bundt pan. Give your pan a tap to get the air bubbles out. My oven has preheated to 350. Here's my finished cake as it comes out the oven. Let your cake rest for 15 minutes. Turn your cake out on your cake plate. Be careful because this will still be warm. Let your cake rest for additional 25 minutes. Now we're going to make our ganache that goes on the top of our cake. We're going to add our heavy cream to a pan and we're going to get that heated up to almost simmer. We're going to get our heavy cream turned off, and then we're going to add our semi-sweet chocolate chips into our heavy cream and get that stirred real well until melted. As you can see, as we continue to stir our heavy cream and semi-sweet chocolate chips together, it all starts coming together and comes really smooth and creamy. And now here comes the fun part. We're going to drizzle our chocolate ganache all over our cake. I'm just kind of going back and forth all the way around, just trying to get chocolate somewhat everywhere. So do what you feel, and you can add as much as you want. Now I'm just adding my nuts to the top of my cake. By all means, you know, if you don't like nuts on your cake, you can add whatever you would like, whether it be M&Ms or whatever. There's no wrong or right way to do it. Or you can just leave it off. It's completely fine also. And here's my finished cake. I hope you enjoy it as much as we did. God bless, and thanks for joining me. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and give me a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it.